this. You see, if I turn that inside out, yeah. So what we're going to do now is we're going to sew this edge, yeah. So if you have a little look at that, I always use the feet to measure. I normally use the width of the foot to the outside of the line, and a nice slow stitch works nicely here. You can use a hand machine to do this, a cobbler's hand machine, which I used for a few years until I upgraded to a mechanical machine, which is over there, but I'll show you that in another video. It's actually broken at the moment, but it's all good because I've got the new machine. So as you can see on the inside of the cover at the bottom, as we're stitching around, we're actually sewing both of the edges down at the same time, which is nice. So you don't want to try and go too close to the edge of the inside of the leather,